Pad printing machine is widely used in metal, leather, glass, food packaging and other industries. With growth of printing machine market, traditional equipment has gradually failed to meet the needs. To improve the automation degree of equipment and achieve high-quality printing. To improve the automation level, Wecon introduces bus control solution of 4-color pad printing machine. It is equipped with Wecon-PI series HMI LX6V EtherCAT PLC and VD3E servo. Strong stability, fast speed, high precision. The procedures are as follows. Left and right servo feed materials, conveyor passes materials, front and rear servo feed materials, servo move materials, shuttle platform, printing. The manipulator completes unloading. Finished products output. The equipment can automatically feed, self-detect whether the feeding direction is correct, auto-print in the initial position. Bus solution, simple wiring, function block simplifies program, reduce errors. Stations and screens correspond one-to-one. Easy to operate. Get started quickly, reduce training cost. The station can operate independently. Convenient debugging. Alarm system, safe and reliable. Wecon bus control solution. 4-color pad printing machine. It can help users stabilize production, realize real automatic printing, cost reduction and efficiency increase.